What's the difference between MSCs and exosomes? MSCs, short for mesenchymal stem cells. So whenever you hear stem cell therapy, typically they're referring to MSCs or mesenchymal stem cells. And then sometimes you'll hear people talk about exosomes, which is a byproduct of MSCs in stem cells. All comes from the umbilical cord tissue. And MSCs and exosomes work in conjunction with each other incredibly to help to heal, repair, and regenerate your bodies. But they do have some different functions. Whenever you receive stem cells or MSCs, let's say through an IV, MSCs are carriers of exosomes. So when MSCs come into your bloodstream or into your body, they will actually release these exosomes, which are smaller, and they're like the communication cells. So if you think of MSCs as the workers, you could think of exosomes as like the blueprints, the text messages, and the communications on how to actually go out and build the plan that the construction workers of the MSCs are going to do. So it is critically important for both of these cells to be available in there when we're talking about regenerating and healing your bodies. Oftentimes at Neoform Wellness, we might do a certain protocol where we are actually going to give them a certain amount of MSCs, which do have exosomes in them. And we might actually give them a vial of just straight exosomes to give them a more powerful punch, you might say, or a powerful process to help really give them the regeneration and the repair that they're looking for. So both are different, but both are very critical, and they work really well in conjunction with each other to give your body the healing, the repair, and to get your body back in that working order like you want it to be, so that you can go out and get back to doing the things that you want to do in your life, get your freedom back, give you that hope back to go out and live the life that you want to on your terms, not based off of your problems and your pain's terms.